Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here, and guess what? Today we are back to Peter Royce Park, also Hillbrow, I guess. So today we're gonna do and just finish the cleanup that we didn't finish last time because the time was limited. And yeah guys, let's cover all this because amazing things are happening today. And again guys, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. You guys can see hey! Thanks for coming guys. Crazy to think that I arrived actually here at 7:20. This place was empty. And now like half an hour later, like everyone is already here. It's crazy, eh? So the troops are gathering.
Morning, my name is Rofio Aramurera from Gauteng Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, and we're here today at Peter Royce Park, and as part of the CBD Fridays campaign, the main intention is to get the CBD clean.
So update. So guys, that's wine from Josie.
Finish. Only 4 lines, right? 4 lines only.
I'll introduce you guys to him later.
Thank you. Yes. How are you? Absolutely. Give me one of
My name is Bia Swanepoel. I'm from Josie My Josie, and we're here today so that the whole community can work together in cleaning up the city. We love these streets, and everybody needs to take accountability for the places that they live in. And it is amazing to see Gauteng province, the city, and the residents coming together and just clean the cities that we love.
Okay, so the troops are ready to go. Oh. Well, you want to make the difference. That's how you make the difference, showing up.
is the hospital precinct itself. Okay.
Okay, so now we're giving some jackets so people can understand who is in the event and who is not in the event. Some fruit here, and we got some water there.
I like the way the pebble shot it down. Why do we get involved?
Okay, so let me tell you guys what the plan is. So we did the first cleanup just to see the place, what can be done. The second part is today. We're gonna clean the whole park, and there is gonna be a third video on the story, which is we're gonna seal up completely this park. We're gonna put control entrance and we're gonna have police inside. So this is where this is going, just to give you guys an overview of what is going on.
Okay, so this is our team here from the Scientology Volunteer Ministers. We work with government and churches and non-profits and the community at large to improve conditions, whatever they are, and we are here now as part of this cleanup initiative to beautify the CBD and give it the glory, restore it to the glory that it actually deserves and intrinsically has. So we're looking forward to this.
Hi, good morning. My name is Wayne Dawson. I am the Safety and Security Lead for Josie My Josie. I'm responsible for safety, security and environment. What we are here today, we are doing the CBD Fridays, an initiative by the provincial government in collaboration with the City of Johannesburg and the Josie My Josie teams. What you see here around you is people with passion. We're here to bring about a difference in the city. This is the start of a community ignitement program, and we are looking at pride of space. We want the communities to own these spaces. This specific park has been plagued with dirt, filth, homelessness, robberies, and a lot of people have been mugged in this specific park. So the idea is to start cleaning up all our open spaces so the communities can enjoy themselves. We are ready to get cracking, and we'll see you on the run.
To give you guys an idea, it's 10 minutes past 9 and we have been like for the last hour trying to organize the troops and all the human logistics behind it. It's just crazy. And this is a small event, guys. This is someone living here. Sure. Oh wow. Even Wayne is doing his bit now. To give you guys an idea, I can't show you the information, but we just found like an ID and a driver's license in the midst of all the garbage. So we're gonna move from here. You guys can see it's almost done, and we'll come back here later for you guys to see the before and after. Yeah, you guys can see they came back. Thank you very much for being here today, guys.
Right, so we are literally on the next, shall I say, sixth of the park that we're cleaning. We actually encourage people out there. We're having fun out here. Come and help us. If you can see us in the park, come outside. We got enough bin bags over here. We need more help. Let us clean this park as one team.
You understand?
Hey guys, how are you? Thanks for coming today. Thank you guys for coming today. Thanks for coming today, guys. Good. There you go, community in blue. And all the homeless people in the park are helping. Thank you very much, guys, for coming today. Look at that. How clean it looks. Thanks, guys, very much for coming today. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming, making the difference. Okay, so today we don't have big garbage trucks, but we have people from Pick It Up, I guess, that will come and just fetch it now on a certain schedule. So yeah, let's continue.
Okay, I'm Lona from Ozarek, and these are my colleagues. It's Neo, Pagamile, and Zuki. We are working for Ozarek as patrollers rangers. We are taking care of our community.
Okay, there you go, the big drone. Checking if everything is fine. Thank you very much for coming today, for making the difference.
It was a pleasure, but there was no. Next time, bring a steak and pap and a juice. I'm tired of water.
So now we're trying to recruit more people to go now to that side, because the people with gloves are now sitting down. But yeah, we're trying to clean up that part there. Okay, we're gonna move in now. Okay guys, we are all here today to work for the same, which is cleaning up our beautiful Peter Ross Park. And for you guys staying at home, you guys saw the announcement. Why didn't you show up? Let me know down below. And yeah guys, we're working all together to make this stuff happen. Guys, you don't even understand how much work is being done this. Like syringes, stuff, disgusting. So I just hope that you see this and you don't litter in your private capacity, okay? Okay guys, we're gonna finish now this last part here. Okay. There you go, our heroes. There you go. Well done guys. Wait, sorry. Sorry. Thank you so much. Yes, share it. Sure, Jesus Christ. Just do it very nicely. Just be careful. Yeah, I get you. I get you. And if I see people littering anyway, I will lose my mind. People don't understand how much this. Okay, that was already full. Full, you see how we do it as a society. And just like that, it's gone. Yep, there you go. This is the after. Here you go guys, now we are just here near the park in Hillbrow. You can see, yo, look at this. So I have all this to remove. Thanks guys for the help, thank you so much. Thank you. Sure. Thank you so much for coming today. So there's a lot of work that was done here. Hi everyone, thank you very much. Samunani, I'm Johnny. Thank you very much for coming today. Appreciate it, thank you. How's all you guys? Thank you very much for coming today. You see, that's how we do it. And there is another guy. That's how we do it, guys. That's how we do it. That's how we do it here in Joburg, guys. Before we finish the video. Guys, remember in the beginning of the video how this looked like? So it looks like now. Fantastic. Again, guys, make sure you share, subscribe and destroy that like button. And I'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.